Goose 45 Enterprises presents Sonic X blows up a microwave outside of his school / grounded. And this is my first video of Sonic X gets grounded. So, enjoy the video. I'm going to blow up a microwave outside of his school because I hate the microwave so much. Hi, ha 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 ha. Yes, I blows up a microwave outside of his school. Yes, I blows up a microwave outside of his school. Yes, I blew up microwave at school. Yes, I blows up microwave outside of his school. Yes, I blows up outside of his school. Yes, I blows up a microwave outside of his school. Yes, I blows up a microwave outside of his school. Yes, I blows up a microwave outside of his school. Now time to get out of here before I get caught. Not so fast, Sonic X. Oh no, it is Bomb the Angry Birds movie. That's right, and Sonic X, how dare you blows up a microwave outside of his school. You that blows up a microwave outside of his school is against the law right now, and now the microwave was blow up, and now he had to pay $1 to get a microwave of his school back because of you. That is it. You're suspended for for 2 week for 3 week for 1 week for 2 weeks. Go home right now when I call your parents about this. Sonic X. Bomb the Angry Birds movie had because today that you blow up a microwave outside of your school. You to blow outside of your school is against the law now, and now we had to pay $1 million to get a microwave back because of you. That's it. You were grounded for 2 weeks. March upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done.